Oh, today I'm going to be doing a review of the Blingfu antenna, which fits on your Baofeng UV5R. In the packaging, you get the antenna itself. I bought the one with the extended cable, so I get the cable. Oops. That's it. Easy bag. You also get your connector, which goes on the end of your antenna. And you also get O-rings and a spare metal bits, which go on. Oops. Which go on your camera focus, which go on your male side and your female side. So to put together, this side's a female, so you get your male side. Get one of the O-rings, put your O-ring over it, screw this on. So hold this bit here so you can screw it in all the way. So once that is in, grab your Baofeng. Mine's got an extended battery. I'll do a video on that later. You unscrew your stock antenna. Put your O-ring over. Grab your, I think this is grab your female side. The O-ring over this side might make it easier. Yeah, it will. Put it over there. Put it on. Screw it till it's tight. Ooh, like that. Then I screw this a bit here. Screw that down. Just hand tight. Hand tight will do. That's the antenna. Let me zoom back out a bit. So that is the radio now attached to the antenna, which does uncoil to make it longer. I'm not going to do it in here because you won't be able to see it all. I'm going to put out my plate carrier and then show you what it looks like. Antenna. Ooh. Attached to the back of my plate carrier on the side here. That's up. And it just comes up a little bit. But I have more around here. Right, I'm going to show you in a different angle, just because, so you can see it. So this is my plate carrier. Here's the antenna on the side here. Runs around the wire, it runs up here, around here, and into my Baofeng in the radio pouch. So that's what it looks like.